Winter. We all love the cozy fires and hot cocoa until it's time to shovel. Am I right? Nobody wants to spend hours battling back-breaking snow. That's why today we're diving into the world of electric snow shovels, your secret weapon to make snow removal faster, easier, and dare I say, enjoyable. We've tested and reviewed the top contenders for 2025, so you can ditch the back pain and reclaim your weekends. Stick around, you won't want to miss any part, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which electric snow shovel is right for you. Before we dive in, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more top-notch product reviews and handy life hacks to make every season a breeze. Ready to dig in? Let's go. One, Greenworks Pro 12-inch 80-volt cordless snow shovel. First up, we have the Greenworks Pro 12-inch 80-volt cordless snow shovel. This thing is a beast. Imagine this, you wake up to a decent snowfall, but you have to get to work. No problem. This cordless powerhouse boasts an 80-volt battery, giving you serious clearing power without being tethered to a cord. We're talking up to 45 minutes of runtime, enough to clear a pretty good-sized driveway. And the fast 30-minute recharge, that's super. Plus it throws snow up to 20 feet. No more snow piling up right in front of you. It's also designed with an ergonomic handle, which is a lifesaver for those of us who get sore backs easily. If you have a larger area to clear and want cordless convenience, this is definitely one to consider. 2. SuperHandy electric snow thrower. Next, we have the SuperHandy electric snow thrower. This one's perfect for smaller spaces like patios, decks, and walkways. If you live in a condo or have a smaller yard, this is your go-to. Weighing in at only 14 pounds, it's super lightweight and easy to maneuver, yet it still throws snow up to 20 feet. The 20-volt battery and 12-inch clearing width are ideal for light to moderate snowfalls. Plus, it's quiet, so you won't annoy your neighbors. And the simple push-button start couldn't be easier. Plus, its compact size makes it a breeze to store in even the tightest spaces. 3. Earthwise SN7DRM16 Corded Electric Snow Shovel. Now, if you have a larger area to clear and don't mind being tethered to a cord, the Earthwise SN7DRM16 is a great option. This corded electric snow shovel packs a 12-amp motor, meaning it can handle heavier, wetter snow with ease. The 16-inch clearing width means fewer passes, and the built-in rear wheels make it much easier to maneuver, taking the strain off your arms and back. No batteries to worry about here, just plug it in and get to work. The downside is, you've got to have a long electrical extension cord connection. 4. AstroAI 39-inch folding snow shovel. Now let's say you're on the go and get caught in a surprise snowstorm. You don't want to be stranded, right? That's where the AstroAI folding snow shovel comes in. This little guy is compact enough to keep in your trunk, but it extends to a decent length when you need it. Perfect for digging your car out or clearing a path to your door when you get home. It's not for clearing your whole driveway, but for emergencies, it's a lifesaver. Let's be real. Electric-powered tools are amazing, but there are times when you just need to go old school. Maybe it's those tight, hard-to-reach spots where an electric shovel just won't fit. Or perhaps you only need to clear a small area and your electric shovel isn't charged. That's where these next two manual options come in handy. Number 5. Meet the Shovelution strain-reducing snow shovel. If you must use manual shovels, use one with a twist. The Shovelution is here to save your back. Its spring-assisted handle reduces strain, making manual shoveling much easier. Lightweight and durable, a great option for those who like a hands-on approach but want some added comfort. 6. Telescoping Snow Shovel. For those hard-to-reach spots, the Telescoping Snow Shovel is a must-have. The adjustable handle makes it easy to clear snow from under cars, around obstacles, and in tight corners, or even clearing snow off your roof. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, and its compact size makes it easy to store when not in use. A practical and versatile solution for any homeowner. Now let's get back to the electric snow shoveling marvels. 7. Ego Power Plus Cordless Snowblower. For those with larger properties and serious snowfall, the Ego Power Plus Cordless Snowblower is a true powerhouse. This 56-volt beast provides over 30 minutes of runtime and can throw snow up to 25 feet. The adjustable speed settings and wide clearing path handle everything from light powder to heavy, wet snow. It's a significant investment, but if you have a lot of snow to move, it's worth considering. 8. Ego SNT 2800 28-inch self-propelled 2-stage snowblower with peak power. Rounding out our list is the machine for those of you with a bit more to invest and a serious eye for power, efficiency, and a touch of luxury in your snow removal game. The Ego SNT 2800 28-inch self-propelled 2-stage snowblower with peak power is a different beast entirely. This isn't just a shovel, it's a snow clearing machine. If you have a large property or deal with heavy, frequent snowfalls, this is the kind of power you need. It truly rivals the performance of gas-powered snowblowers without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. With a 28-inch clearing width, a 21-inch intake height, and the ability to throw snow up to 60 feet, it's perfect for tackling the harshest winter conditions. The powerful 56-volt battery system, sold separately, can clear a massive 32-car driveway with 8 inches of snow on a single charge. What makes it stand out? It's packed with features like heated handle grips to keep your hands warm, trigger-controlled steering for better maneuverability, and a 2-in-1 electronic chute adjustment joystick that lets you control snow direction effortlessly. So there you have it, our top picks for electric snow shovels and snow blowers for 2025. Whether you need a lightweight shovel for quick touch-ups, a powerful cordless option for a medium-sized driveway, or a premium 2-stage blower for tackling heavy snow on a large property, there's something here for everyone. We've put links to all the products in the description below, so you can check out the latest prices and specs. If you are still unsure on which one to choose, please comment below, and I'll definitely give you an assistance remembered. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more winter tips and product reviews. Stay warm out there and happy, or should I say, easy, snow clearing.